I'm Mikaila. I went thrifting recently and I found some of the best things that I think I have ever thrifted, and I am so excited to share them with you. Also, after I'm done sharing the thrifted items, I have a few more surprise things at the end, and then we're going to decorate with them for Valentine's Day. So I love Victorian era things, and I found this figurine. It is a man and a woman, and they're beautiful dresses and fancy suit. I just love it. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love really small miniature things, and I found this small blue vase. I love this dark blue color. I am doing my living room in a dark blue and white theme, so this is gonna go in there, and the bottom of this does say made in Japan. Next thing that I got is this pair of pillow shams. I think I'm going to put these in my master bedroom. We are working on renovating it here soon, and these look like they came from a quilt set, but that's okay. I love to mix and match bedding, so I will find a way to make all of this work. Okay, this next piece is this really pretty pink planter. It has this lovely flower design on the front, and it has these little green feet on the bottom. It doesn't have a name or anything, so I don't know where it's from, but I just thought it was really pretty. In my guest room, I'm doing the colors of pink, cream, and white, so this is gonna end up going in there whenever I get to it. Next, I found these two glass pieces here. Now, I don't remember what exactly these are for, but there is a girl that I love to watch on, she has YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all those things. She takes these things here, and I also found this candlestick, and she glues them or uses rubber bands and puts them inside to do something like this, which I thought was so cool. So I think I'm gonna do her trick. She puts rubber bands here and then makes it set in there, and then you can add like a candle and things like that, and now it looks like a candle holder. So I got those with the intention of trying that DIY out. Her name is SCARLET, so I will link her down below. I love watching her. She's just so neat, and she gets the coolest thrifted stuff. Also found this set of glass candle holders. These are just so pretty. I don't know if they're crystal or not. To be completely honest, I don't know how to tell. But I could also take those same pieces and set them inside these glass ones. And then it kind of looks like a wine glass, but I could put a candle in it for sure. I just thought it would be fun to try some unique things like that, and I got that idea from her, and I just thought it was super pretty. This piece is absolutely adorable. I love cottagey things, and when I think of cottage stuff, I just think of mushrooms. Look how cute this is. It has a little lid at the top that you can take off. I just think that is so pretty. This is what the bottom of it looks like. I don't know if that's handmade or if that number means the year it was made or not. If you have any information, I would love for you to share it with me. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet. Something that makes me nervous is if you buy like thrifted glassware or antique glassware, you don't ever know if it's food safe unless it says that it is. So I always get a little nervous to use it for food. So I'll probably use it for something that is not perishable, but it's so cute. Even if I didn't put anything in it, it would look adorable just as a decoration. So these next three things are a set of glassware. I think they're like vases and maybe a little planter. So I do not believe them to be old, but they are really pretty. I love this blue color and the floral design. This is the two planters. These will look so great in the springtime with some flowers in them. These next few pieces were actually gifted to me from one of my sisters for Christmas. She knows me very well, and she bought me vintage things. So she got me this set of brass candlesticks, and I love these because they're the ones that have the little handles here. So it just feels like you've gone back into the times before we had electricity, which I'm gonna be honest, I love electricity, but it is cool sometimes to turn everything off and just use some candles. So I got these from her. She also got me this really pretty copper planter. This is what the bottom of it looks like. I am not familiar with this stamp. I would love your knowledge if you have any. I'm probably gonna put an ivy in it. I'm not the best at keeping plants alive, so I have to be realistic with myself about the easiest plants to keep alive, and for me that's ivies. Last piece that she got me is another planter, but look at this thing. It's so pretty. It has this green and then it has like an aged gold around the rim of it. I just love that so much. And then it has these 4 little feet. This next item that I found is a big piece. It is a lamp. It has this really pretty flower design on the front. I got this for only $6 at Salvation Army. I felt like that was a really good price. So I'm very, very excited to use this somewhere in my house. Okay, so now this is some of the most amazing items that I have ever found. We were in a local thrift store that I love going to. When we were in there, the lady at the cash register was really, really sweet and she had a beautiful outfit on. And so I told her, I said, I love your outfit. The lady said, you know what? You guys are so kind. I'm gonna give you the employee discount. So we got a discount of $10, which made all of these silver items only $40. I never had the intention of, if I'm kind to people, they'll give me stuff. I literally just like to, if I see somebody that has an outfit that I like, or a lipstick color that I like, or their hair looks pretty, I like to tell them, because you never know if that could be the best thing that they heard that day. You don't know if people are struggling or if they're going through something. So it never ever hurts to be kind to someone. It's so easy. But we're gonna start with the trays. Now, you may have seen some of these in my sunroom makeover. I will link that below if you want to check that out. But we have this one first. Look at the edges of this. I just think that is so pretty. The next tray is this one. This is the mark on the bottom of it. Next, we have this one. Now this one has like a raised piece here in the center. If any of you know what that's for, I would love for you to share it with me because I'm not sure. We have this one. I thought it was so unique, and then it has these handles on the edge, and then it also has these little feet at the bottom. Be prepared, there's quite a few silver pieces to share, so you'll have to bear with me. And then we have this piece here. This is kind of a tray, but it has a taller side piece. Love the detail that it has here on the edge of it. Next, we have this piece here. I believe this is a sugar container. I'm not positive, but I love the handles on it. I just think it's so pretty. We have a silver spoon with this slot at the top. I don't know what this is supposed to be for with the slot. If you know, I would love for you to tell me. And then it has like a twisted design on the handle. Then it got this tiny little tray. This one's not that big, so this may be a saucer, I'm not sure. This small tray, and I really like this one because of the design on the edges. I just thought that was very, very pretty. Then we have this leaf design one. Now, I don't think this one is as old, but they all came in a lot, so I wanted to share all the pieces that I got with it. These 2 trays came in a set of 2. These are smaller. You can see they're about the size of my hand. I got this larger piece. It's kind of like a bowl, but it has, you can see like maybe like an inch there. I don't know, but then the edge of it also has this. Then I got a pair of salt and pepper shakers. These I do believe are old. They just look super old. Here is what the mark on the bottom looks like. Next is this piece here. I believe this is for cream. Now the handle is broke off of it, but it's just a simple fix. I can just put it here on the edge with some glue. That won't be hard at all. This piece, I do believe this is a gravy boat. I'm not positive, to be honest with you, but I think that it's a gravy boat. The bottom of it says Early American International Silver Company. Have any information about it? I would love for you to share it with me. This one I think is super cool. I think this is either a wine glass or a goblet, but it has a really pretty design on the stem. Then the bottom of it says Made in Spain. So we have this pretty large teapot or coffee decanter. I'm not sure which one it is, but like the lid and everything is in good condition. It has that really pretty tarnished silver look. I know some people would buy the stuff to like bring these back to life, but I love this old and worn out look when it comes to silver. It does have a mark on the leg. It says IS Co. So I need to look this one up as well, but this one feels very heavy and like super good quality. Next we have this really large bowl. I'm guessing it's a serving bowl. I'm pretty sure this is a gravy boat as well. This one has a really pretty handle. I just love that. Oh, it's so, so pretty. So we have another sugar container. It has the really pretty handles as well. And then even the details on the lid are just beautiful. It's in really great condition. It is silver plate. It does say on the bottom, I think it says W.M. Rogers. It has this matching cream container, again with the really pretty handle and the design on the lid. I just love these so much. And then it got this large, I believe it's a soup tureen. Everything about it's in good condition. The inside is actually made of glass. And then it has these unique handles on the side. In that same lot, she just threw in this copper tray, so I don't know where I'm gonna use this. This one says ODI 7, made in India, so I need to look it up as well. So we're over here at the table in my sunroom, and this is where I want to do most of the decorating, so I wanted to share what my very sweet friend Dusty from My Thrifted Home, I will link her channel. She sent me some things. She's just a sweetheart and she's always sending me stuff that I absolutely love. But she sent me this milk glass vase, then gave me one of these pieces here. I do believe this is called a flower frog, but honestly I need to look it up. Then look at this beautiful plate that she sent me. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Sent me this little heart plate. I just think that's so cute. She also sent me these little wood hearts that have Valentine things on them. So you know those little candies that you get? I don't remember what they're called, but it looks like a large version of these. Those are so cute. For those of you who love old stuff like I do, you're gonna love these postcards. This one says Easter greetings, so I'll have to probably put this in a frame or something, maybe for Easter time. And then this one here says Easter greetings as well. These are actually old postcards. This one is post-dated 1911, so over 100 years old. I believe this one is 1917, so both of these postcards are over 100 years old. I'm gonna have to put those somewhere safe so I don't end up accidentally messing them up. And then she sent me this postcard that says A Peaceful Easter. Now this one is from 1909. This thing is insanely old. Oh my goodness, I get so excited about old stuff like this. I love old postcards. Sent me these wood Valentine's cards. I actually thought it would be fun to try and make a garland with these, so I may get some supplies to do that. This beautiful lace table runner, and I actually decided to use it in my sunroom. I will show y'all after we get done looking at all this stuff. This is an item that I found. It is this miniature tea set that I got at an antique store. Let's decorate with some of these Valentine's things that I found and was sent to me. I have an idea for this last piece. I want to try it in my kitchen. I think I can use it as a place to put my spatulas and stuff. What's that called? A spoon rest. Yes, I'm gonna use it as a spoon rest. So I have this one here. I've had it since fall. I got it from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm just gonna simply put this here. If you love thrifting as much as I do, I will have a playlist linked at the end for you to check out if you want to. And God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye.